Four elements make up the Pool Lab system: the chlorinator cell, the peristaltic acid pump, the ASP, and the Pool Lab PL Plus controller. An efficient switch mode power supply and electronics maximises performance and reliability. The easy-to-use control panel provides all the automation, diagnostics and history you could need. The patented vertical cell, operating at a low 3000 parts per million salinity, is designed to manage the low and high flow rates that modern variable speed pumps deliver. Available in 3 sizes, Pool Lab has a model to suit your pool. The Pool Lab system is easily installed. With the chlorinator installed, semi-automation of the chlorination process is achieved. However, environmental and bather load demands constantly change. Setting the chlorine output and manually adjusting the pH with acid becomes a guessing game. The patented ASP is the solution and includes a peristaltic acid pump installed onto the cell. It's the most accurate, reliable and easy to use chlorine and pH management system in the world. The ASP analyses the pool water 3 times a day. Photometric technology uses light passing through a water sample mixed with a precise volume of reagent to accurately determine the pH and chlorine levels. It is not affected by interferences suffered by other technologies. It requires no calibration or cleaning and provides the chlorine readings in parts per million. Algorithms calculate the pool's requirements, automatically adjust dosing to maintain chlorine and pH targets. Chlorine and acid feed history can also be viewed. If pH adjustment is required, the peristaltic pump is initiated to feed acid. When chlorine production is required, cell power is activated. For pool and spa combinations, a flow switch is installed on the spa suction line. This allows the system to automatically adapt to the smaller volume of water whilst the spa is in use.